actually into my factory. I still making a excavator bucket repair. I just cut it off one of the ear by gas oxygen torch, like this. I cut it off and I find the cracks right here, one damage here. I don't know exactly where will be new weld when I will weld this piece on the bucket, but I think that these cracks make a mess on my work. Cracks should be removed before the welding, or the cut out and weld. So later I take a angle grinder and make it smooth so I can better see where is more cracks and remove them.